morning, Scots. I'm Madison Savini, and welcome back, students and staff, to a brand new school year here at Highland High School.
And I'm Trayvon Fair. The 2026-2027 school year is officially here, and we hope everyone had a great summer and is ready for another exciting year.
And of course, welcome back to Scots Weekly, your weekly source for what's happening around campus.
We'll bring you the latest school announcements, sports, events, and other important news from around Highland.
So let's kick off our first show of the school year with some important school announcements.
Let's get started.
First up, here's today's bell schedule. Don't forget, we get out early on Mondays.
That's right. Every Monday, school ends at 2:53 p.m.
Second, if you need to talk to your counselor for any reason, don't worry. They'll get you in as soon as they can.
Our counselors are super busy right now helping students and handling a million different things around the campus.
If you need to speak with your counselor, make sure you email them.
Please don't stop by the counseling office because you won't be able to meet with them until they can call you out of class.
Third, here's an important reminder about Highland's electronics policy, so listen up.
During class time, cell phones, smartwatches, earbuds, headphones, tablets, and other personal electronic devices must be silenced or turned off and stored in the designated location in your classroom.
And remember, your device stays in the classroom during instructional time. So that means if you need to leave for a restroom break or water break, don't take your phone with you. Your electronics cannot be in the hallway.
You can use your personal devices before school, during your passing periods, at lunch, and even after school.
Exceptions may be made for emergency or safety situations when a teacher or administrator gives you permission, or when a device is needed for educational purposes.
And Scots, make sure you follow the policy because there are consequences.
Step 1, your teacher contacts your parent or guardian, and your device is confiscated and sent to the dean's office for the rest of the day.
Step 2, the same consequences apply, plus you'll receive a lunch detention.
Step 3, the same consequences apply, but now a parent or guardian must pick up your device and it must be referred to the on-campus intervention.
So the key thing to remember is simple. During class, devices are off, put away, and stay in the classroom. Save the scrolling, texting, and AirPods for passing period or lunch.
Don't go anywhere, Scots.
We have a quick commercial break.
Hey guys, welcome back to Highland High School. You might be seeing this poster around your classes about the new cell phone policy. Make sure to read it and make sure you follow it.
Bro, this phone policy is so stupid.
I know, but I came prepared.
Well, that's clever. That's clever. Ooh, you're gonna get caught.
Shut up.
Because I'm an iPad kid.
Abby, put the phone away. You know what? Go to the dean's office instead. Right now.
I told you so.
Hey Scots, this is a sign to not be on your phone in class, listen to your teachers, or you're going to be sent to the dean's office like me.
Welcome back, Scots.
Now let's toss it over to the sports team for our latest in Highland athletics.
What's up, Scots? I'm Frankie Barr.
And I'm Blake Jensen. Welcome to the sports section.
Get ready, Scots, because Highland Athletics is having a big Friday this August 21st.
First up, varsity boys water polo is heading over to the Frontier for a tournament running Friday and Saturday.
Our varsity volleyball team will be having a tournament this Friday and Saturday at South High.
And JV and varsity football are hitting the road to take on Porterville. The game starts at 7 for varsity and 5 for JV.
Finally, if you're interested in girls wrestling, there will be a meeting in W1.
Grab your lunch and head over there ASAP.
And that's a wrap for Highland Sports this week.
Good luck to all of our Scots competing and make sure to get out there and support our team.
Toss it back to the rest of Scots Weekly.
Thank you, guys.
Before we wrap things up, Scots, we have a few last-minute announcements.
Listen up, everyone.
Hey Scots, I'm Yami. Here's a quick reminder, outside food and drinks, including food deliveries, are not permitted on campus. Any outside deliveries will be turned away. So before you try ordering DoorDash to your classroom, just know your chicken nuggets might have a better chance of graduating than making it past the front office. Save those deliveries for when you get home, Scots, not while you're at school.
That's a wrap for today, Scots.
And as always,
Remember to plaid up.